afternoon. We are from the machine engineer career of the subject automation. Uh, what is manufacturing? Manufacturing is the maker of goods by hand or by machine that, upon completion to business, sell to a customer. It use in manufacturing may be raw material or component part of large product. The manufacture usually happens on a large scale production line or machine as skilled labor. Uh, Next point, CAM, Computer Aided Manufacturing. Computer Aided Manufacturing (CAM) is the use of software to control machine to realize was in the manufacture of workpiece. This is not only definition for CAM, but it is most common. CAM might also refer to the use of computer to assist all operation of manufacturing plant, including planning, management, transporting, and storage. Its primary purpose is create faster production process and computer talking with more precise dimension and material assist, which in some cases use only the recommended amount of raw material, did minimizing weight, while simulation reduced energy consumed can is not system use skill and lower education purpose can is such computer aided process offer. Computer at manufacturing CAD and sometimes computer aided engineer CAD as the model generate it CAD and buried in CAD can be into CAM software. Switch the control to machine to CAM is used many skill analyzed computer aided design CID to create object. Next point, design application CAM computer aided manufacturing. Computer aided manufacturing CAM, it is used software and computer control machine to automate manufacturing process. Based and definition, you need to computer for CAM set to function. Software tell machine how to make product by general toolpack. Machine then can turn raw material into finished product. Post-processing then converted toolpath into large machine can understand. This use component with 30 which tune of human labor and skill. As industry with what he spent years of building and ready to bed manufacturing machine around. Today there is no design to touch for any capacitor machine shot at a handle. CAD to CAM process. With CAM, there is no CID. CID first and the seed and product part. How is slot, how it functions. CAM filters how to make it. You can decide to most elegant part your CAD tool, but if you cannot efficiently make a switch CAD system, there you are better to get through. Tier start of a very energy process begin is the work. of CAD integer will make edit a 2D or 2D drawing where it is capture for customize the system sketch, a kitchen photo or the hard electronic in circuit bus interwall of CAD. Any design scaled model a set physical prepare that will use CMN system.